Good day, Yusek. I'm Kim. By the way, my question is with the circulating what you call fake news, no? Especially in terms of social media. What possible charges could be filed against those proven to be spreading fake news, especially in terms or particularly in terms of the health of the president himself? In the case of Eloy Bugris, which is a local from Iloilo, now based in Dubai, what will be the process or the steps to be taken by the government against those who've been mentioned by the ombudsman?
First of all, she can be liable for damages. She can be held liable for civil libel. She can be held liable for utterances of fake news that disrupt public order. So, lahat po ito ay maaari siyang pagbayaran ng danyos, maaari siyang makasuhan ng criminal cases, at maaari siyang ma-issuehan ng warrant of arrest.
Is there a chance po, Yusek, na...
Hindi lamang po yung sinasabi niyong kababayan niyo dito, hindi lamang po siya, lahat po na nag-spread ng fake news. We're talking about fake news. We are not curtailing anybody's freedom of expression. Hindi po saklaw. At hindi po yun ang pinipigilan natin. Only those spreading fake news.
What's the latest po in terms of those mentioned by the ombudsman? What is the steps being taken right now?
With regard to the fake news peddlers?
Yes po, the 3 vloggers mentioned by the ombudsman, especially including the local vlogger from Iloilo, now based in Dubai.
Since there is already a memorandum of agreement signed by DICT, DOJ, and PCO, from our end, the PCO had already filed the endorsement for further investigation of these 3 vloggers, so that if there will be a case to be filed against them, then they should be held liable for that.
What's your warning po or message to those who are spreading fake news in social media against the president or against the government, Yusek?
Una-una, kung gumagamit naman po tayo ng ating kaisipan, ang mga fake news spreaders hindi na dapat tutuwin na warningan, alam naman nilang mali ang kanilang ginagawa. So, warning, hindi po ito ang nararapat na salita para sa kanila. Hindi na kailangan silang warningan. Alam nilang ginagawa nila, alam nilang mali ang ginagawa nila, alam nilang naninira lamang sila. So, kung ano man ang kanilang ginagawa, they should face the consequences.